Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. In my last video, we were watching how the price line of Zilliqa formed a very big harmonic bullish reversal guardian move on the weekly time frame, and on the daily time frame, it broke out the resistance of the down channel. Today, I want to show you how the price line has formed another triangle, and we will analyze whether the price line is going to break down or break out the resistance of this triangle. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, let me to show you this Gartley move that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 18th of December. And you can see at that time, the price line was entered the buying zone. And our sell targets as per this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move are from 9.4 cents and goes to 12.21 cents. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see at that time it was moving at 6.2 cents. So far it has rallied up to 8.5 cents and still gearing up. Now if we switch to the daily time frame, the live daily time frame, then here we can see that the price line started the formation of this down channel in the month of October, and here the price line broke out the resistance of this down channel on 23rd of December. Right now, the price line is accumulating here. And if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then here price line has formed another symmetrical triangle. And this is the resistance. That is the basic reason the price line is not going to move up from here. And this is a support that is providing a very firm support to the price line, that it is not moving down to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. So few hours are left in breaking out or breaking down this resistance or support of the channel. For example, if I place this measurement tool from the first candlestick that was entered in this triangle up to the current candlestick, then we can see for more than 6 days the price line is moving in this triangle, and it is now getting squeezed and more squeezed. So these are the final hours the price line can break out or break down the support. I'm expecting that it can break out because already the price line has broken out the resistance of a big channel. Therefore, it can also break out the triangle as well. Now, in case of breakout this triangle, our next target after this breakout, and that will be imminent, will be approximately, for example, if we are going to have a breakout from here, that will be approximately 9.4 cents. Now, if we take a look at the target for this down channel on the daily time frame, then I'm expecting the price line can reach here at the end of this down channel, approximately at 12 cents. And if we take a look at the big bullish Garley move, then it can also reach up to 12.21 cents. These are the realistic targets based on the harmonic move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.